Bringing your palms together at the heart center. Taking a deep breath through the nose. As we fuse the lunar and solar energies and the masculine and feminine within us, we settle the vibrations in the mind that keep us attached to objects, fantasies, things of this world that come and go. So allowing the mind to come into rest as we fuse our logic and intuition, coming into our love intelligence, the wisdom of the heart. Hello everyone, welcome to day 84, and I want to invite you to join me on a journey into reflecting on the relationship that Jesus may have had with Mother Nature. So when I think of Jesus, and I do believe a man named Jesus walked this earth and was the most powerful love mystic and healed people, transformed people. But I don't have any kind of story in my head about how he's placed in the cosmos in regards to being the Son of God, part of God, expression of God. I don't have a theology because for me, his presence lives in my heart. And so when I have a question about how I relate to Christianity or to the message of Jesus, I go to my heart. And something that has troubled me for quite a while is the way that we have sort of stigmatized what we refer to as worship of nature. Easter, and many of us know that Easter comes from the word Ishtar, which was a goddess, and that many things were sort of reorganized in order to make Christianity a little more palpable for the world at the time, which had a lot of reverence for Mother Nature and rituals integrated into society. And we've lost that. And of course, our indigenous elders throughout the globe of so many different traditions carry that medicine, continue their prayers, and we're holding on, I think, by a thread, only because they've continued to sustain our connection with her, with Mother Nature. But I think this got lost in translation, and I'm just speaking from my heart. But I'm going to throw some logic at you too. So we imagine, as the story goes, Jesus is the most powerful love mystic, walking this earth, healing and transforming. And we imagine that he felt very connected to nature, as we do in our moments where our minds are still and we're feeling restful and we're somewhere beautiful. We imagine that he related to nature in a very intimate way. He connected. He was connected with nature too, Mother Nature. And what do we do when we want to sustain connection with another human being? We may offer them kind words. We may offer them a gift, flowers, a light, whatever it may be. But offering is really a gift from the heart that instills connection. And so I believe in my heart that Jesus loved Mother Nature and that he felt that he was the son of Mother Nature too. And that honoring her and all the different vibrations of this world is also an expression of his love. Om peace.